Over here we have an area that's called global mode. And global mode basically allows you to control this row of encoders. Now you have to imagine these encoders are just replicating what you would find on an analog console. So on an analog console we would have rows and rows of encoders going across the console like this. On the SI we just have one row. But these buttons here tell us what we're doing. So in global mode, if I select gain, these encoders become gain controls, and I can adjust the level for the channel directly below the encoder, just like you would on an analog console. If I select pan, they become channel pan controls, again with the OLED meter showing me the pan position. If I select filter, I've got a variable low cut filter, and I can dial in the frequency. Again, the OLED display is confirming what the encoder above is doing to the channel. Global mode allows us to use the control surface in the same way that we'd use an analog console. So just to recap what we've just done, if I select the gain, I can very quickly, the band is playing, I can adjust the gain for every channel on the console, and I can see immediately level changing in the OLED screen below. I can then set my pans by pressing the pan button. I'm obviously just doing some fairly exaggerating panning here, but this allows me to get the point across. And then bring up the faders, and I'm mixing audio.